Hi, I'm Kai. Most SQL tutorials teach you how to find the exact same people in two lists. But what about the people on one list who have no partner? That's where we start. We are learning left, right, and full outer joins today. Think of joining two tables like mixing ingredients. If you only mix flour and water, you lose the salt if it's not there. A standard SQL join works exactly like that. It keeps rows only where data matches perfectly. It feels efficient, but here's the trick. It assumes missing data doesn't exist. Here's the trick for a left join. Imagine holding the left table in your left hand. You pull it across to see if the right table has matching rows. If there is a match, you show both columns. If not, you keep the left row and put a null where the right data should be. A right join is simply the mirror image. Instead of keeping all your customers regardless of orders, you keep all your orders regardless of who placed them. If a customer is missing from an order list, that slot stays null on the customer side. A full join is the most generous. It doesn't care which side starts, it just wants to know what exists in both. If there's no match, it shows the nulls on one side or the other so you don't lose anyone. Here's why this matters. You can find customers who have never ordered anything. By checking for nulls in the join table, you see exactly who is missing activity. This helps you decide whether to delete them or send a marketing email. This is the biggest mistake people make. You join two tables to see all customers, then immediately filter for valid orders. That turns your generous full or left join back into a standard intersection. In short, never put conditions on the join side if you want to keep non-matches. If you use an inner join, you get the clean intersection. It's great for summaries where missing data is actually an error. But if you want to identify gaps like unpaid bills or new users, outer joins are safer. Sometimes people think outer joins are slower. They scan more data because they keep non-matches. But here's the trick. It's better to run the expensive join first, then filter in a separate step. Instead of leaving nulls floating around, you can use a function to replace them. This makes your reports look clean and complete without hiding the fact that a match was missing. I always think treating nulls as just another value is dangerous. A missing customer name means the system failed to record it, not that they have no name. Treat those nulls as red flags in your data pipeline. Early in my career, I ran a left join to find inactive users and deleted them. Later, the marketing team realized those were our most loyal customers who just forgot their password. We've covered left, right, and full joins. Remember that standard joins filter out the interesting gaps. Use outer joins when you need the comprehensive view of your dataset. The real skill here is knowing when to use the generous full view versus the strict inner view. Use this knowledge to clean your data pipeline effectively. I hope this helped you see why we don't just throw away non-matching rows. Understanding these tools gives you total control over your datasets. This took real effort to explain. Takes none to hit follow. Thanks for sticking around for this deep dive. Now go build something amazing with your data.